What's up? Kamusta mga kabote? Mga ma'am, mga sir, happy Friday sa inyo, no? Yung intro kanina, hindi yun related dito sa vlog na to, pero pinapakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga ginawa ko kahapon. All of those video clips were taken yesterday from the coffee shop to the front row event and so on. So, ngayon, I just stumbled upon something. Meron lang ako naisip bigla. Pero actually, halos isang linggo kung walang vlog kasi may iniisip ako. Actually, ngayon, medyo na-depress lang ako, na-frustrate kasi I have been uploading vlogs for several weeks now, but I feel that I'm not getting the traction that I wanted. I don't know saan ako nagkakamali, saan ang kulang, pero palagi ko naman pinapanood yung vlogs ko. For me, I think my content is okay, but siguro I'm not just into the right audience right now. So I was thinking to stop or to quit vlogging. Pero kahapon, habang nagpunta kami ng anak ko sa isang coffee shop, I have stumbled upon a very great proverb ba to or phrase, and as I read it, ilalagay ko na lang siya dito, no? Life isn't about finding yourself. It's about discovering who God created you to be. So, naisip ko, sabi ko, maybe it wasn't about myself. My frustrations is coming from that I wanted to please my audience. I wanted to create a content that would please everyone that sees my videos. But maybe God's purpose was not for me not to do those kinds of vlogs, but for me to inspire people, motivate people, and so on. Pero isasama ko pa rin yung moto vlogs ko dahil I love riding motorcycles. But I feel that I should share whatever experiences I had regarding finances, regarding business, regarding closing deals, and so on. So I wanna commit myself into uploading Friday vlogs, and I will call it Freedom Friday. Okay guys, Freedom Friday. Every Friday yan. Walang mintis. Lagi ako mag-upload ng vlogs regarding those things that I have mentioned before. So what do you expect on those Freedom Friday vlogs? For example, I can share my experience regarding how I started my business. I can share my tips regarding how can you open your conversation to a stranger, to making and promoting your products, up to closing your deals. How are you going to do that? And also, I would like to share the journey regarding financial freedom. Kung paano maka-escape ng rat race, if you know what I mean. So, I'll be just talking about that as we progress on Freedom Fridays. So, in today's vlog, guys, I want to talk about giving and receiving. Ano ba yung alam natin pag sinabing giving and receiving? So, kung meron kayong mga barkada na ang tawag natin sa kanila, si palibre, si paabono, si pakisuyo, si pautang, and so on. Yan yung mga barkada natin, mga kapamilya, mga friends, mga relatives na they are always on the receiving side. Yung mga taong yun, guys, ang tingin nila sa pera, ganito, no? Mahirap silang maglabas ng pera. Pag ikaw yung manlilibre, di ba? Ako kasi, I myself is a very, very generous person. I always give what I can give to other people. Kita nyo naman, nakaka 100 subscribers pa lang ako, pero nakadalawang giveaways na ako. Yung mga ganong klase ng tao, they treat their money as if it was a resource, no? Nahirap-hirap silang dukutin yung pera. So, pag ikaw yung magpapalibre sa kanila, ganito yung treatment nila sa pera. Okay? So, hawak na lang yung pera sa loob. Pag nagpalibre ka, ay sabihin mo, next sweldo na lang. O kaya, ay wala akong budget para dyan eh. O kaya, walang-wala ako ngayon. Okay? Pero meron. Meron yan. May pang date, may pang milk tea, may pang Starbucks, may pang load, and so on. So, they treat their money like this. So, what happens? Since they treat their money like this, God cannot put more money inside their hand because it's so closed. Okay? So, understand that concept. Pag ganito yung treatment nyo sa pera, paano kayo bibigyan ulit kasi hindi nga kayo mapagbigay? Okay? Ayaw nyo man lang buksan ng konti para magkaroon ng space. Okay? But, if you are on the giving end, kahit na wala na, bigay pa din. May mga ganun kasi, pero wag naman masyadong bigay ng bigay na to the point na wala na kayo. But, if you are able to give, okay, able to lend a hand to your partner, to your friends, to your distant relatives, to your close relatives, and lalong-lalo na sa mga strangers, okay, you will see that your hand is very open. Okay? Open-handed. Wala nang laman, magbigay ka na. So what happens is God sees that open hand and He will allow that hand to receive more. So you can give more to others. I don't know guys if you experience such. Pero yung mga taong binanggit ko kanina, yung mga palalibre, palautang, palasuyo, try nyo minsan magbigay. Okay? Mararamdaman nyo na yung tinatago-tago yung pera, na iniipit-ipit yung pera, dinodoble yan ni Papa Jesus. Maniwala kayo sa akin. Balikan ko yung kwento sa nangyari kahapon. Okay? Last night, I was in Vertis North sa Quezon City. I was helping my friend for a food business. And actually, may meeting ako kinabukasan ng 4 a.m. Okay? So, I was there for 4 p.m. up until 12 midnight ata. So, I don't have any time to sleep na. So, kasi mamaya may meeting ulit ako ng 4 a.m. So, what happened is my ka-meeting canceled the meeting kasi nga maulan nga yung Friday. And what happened was someone called me regarding a long time ago project, and he called me that it's okay na. Okay? It was already on PO, and I may receive the PO this month, this August. So what's our take? What's the moral of this story? I went to the food stall business. I was not expecting anything. I was just giving my energy. I was just giving all of my efforts for that business kasi ang daming tao pinilahan yung business niya. Wala siya masyadong kasama. So we made all the efforts to sold out, guys. Sold out yung lahat ng food namin kahapon. Wala pa ata kaming 1 hour na nag-operate. Ubus na agad. Wala naman akong ine-expect on the receiving end. Wala akong ine-expect na babayaran ako. Wala. Kasi barkada ko yun. So, I went home and kinabukasan, nag-text sa akin yung client ko, Mel, cancel na muna. So, okay. Kasi nakatulog ako ng dire-diretso. Pangalawa, I had a new deal. Since I lent my hand to that friend, I was able to receive more. I was able to close that deal because I lent my hand. Ay, gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo that you are more blessed when you are a giver. And always, pag nagbibigay kayo, don't expect anything in the end. Don't expect. Let God do His way. So with that guys, I'll end this video. Kita-kita ulit tayo next Friday. Happy Freedom Friday. Bye-bye.